My name is Jessica, and I am a beginner harpist. I literally just touched a harp for the first time 2 weeks ago with my private instructor. So I basically just wanted to create this channel to show my progress from week to week. I won't be talking, I'll just be strictly playing the songs that I've learned. Also, I just want to encourage anybody else out there who might be on their journey, and it's good to see where people end up at, but it's also just good to see where they started from. Like, you got to start from the bottom, and I don't know how to read music, any of that stuff, so it's gonna be like a long journey, but I've become obsessed with it. So like, if there's anybody out there who is really thinking about doing it, I say do it. If you have the money for a private instructor, do it, absolutely. What I did was I Googled my local harpist in the area, and I found one. She's amazing. We do 30-minute sessions every 2 weeks, and she charges $20 per session, and then I get to rent this beautiful harp for $50 a month. Let's see. I would say I do have to haul this harp every time that I go to my lessons. So the harp is not as heavy as you might think it is. Also, storing the harp, there's like a cover that you can put over it. I will show you guys that, insert a little photo in there so you guys can see that. You don't want to store it close, like in the direct line of air conditioning, or close to a window when it's raining. Like, all that moisture can affect the strings, and like, I believe how often you'd have to tune it. So there's that. I would like to introduce you guys to this little cool tool here. This was probably like 30 bucks at Guitar Center, and it's great for making sure your harp is tuned. And what you do is you just clip this little guy here onto your sound box, onto the harp, and you press the button here. I don't know if you guys can see that. Okay, and this is a middle C. Let's see if it reads correctly. Perfect. So there's that. This is D. Yeah, so there's that. Awesome little tool. And this is a tuning key. I also got one of these with the rental. I also would like to share with you guys this book that I actually got from another YouTuber. It's called Play the Harp Beautifully by Pamela Bruner. This is great because it shows like the makeup, the makeup of your harp, and like it labels everything. It shows you how to sit at the harp properly. It shows you which fingers to use and the right plucking techniques. Like, it's amazing. So I would definitely strongly recommend this. I believe it was probably about 20 bucks. Okay, so now I'm going to play a song for you guys. I've only so far, you only use 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You don't use this finger, but 1 and 2. This is this first finger that I'm learning how to use on the harp. So as you can also see, it's number 2, finger number 2. On the sheet music, there's numbers here that say 2. So that means most of this music I'm playing with my second finger. So I'm going to play a song for you guys now. I've been practicing, so I've learned this. It took me 2 weeks to learn how to read the music and then play it on my own. So here we go. super hyped. I cannot wait until I learn how to just go crazy on this thing. So hopefully you guys can be patient and come back, watch my videos, see how I'm doing from week to week. Thank you, and please comment, subscribe, do whatever you want to do. All right, thank you for listening to me. Bye.